Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arifa's English Academy. Friends, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is English grammar related to parts of speech. It is conjunction. Now, what this conjunction is, first of all we have to know about it, isn't it? So, the word which is used to connect sentences or clauses or two different words. It means the words which we use to join two words or two sentences is called as conjunction. For example, Tom and Jerry are very good friends. Right? The word what we are using in the middle here to join Tom, Jerry, we are using the word and. Am I right? So that word and is joining two different words. If we are using the different words to join, that is called as conjunction. A few examples are given here: and, but, either, neither, or, nor, if, as, though, so. These are the few examples which tells about the conjunction. So let's have a look and let's learn something more about conjunction. These conjunctions are again divided into three kinds. The first one is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. So let us come to the first one. What this coordinating conjunction is? It is to join two words equally important in terms of grammar. Means two different words, if they are equally important, then we are going to use this coordinating conjunction. The examples of these are and, for, but, at, nor, or, soon. These are the few examples which comes under coordinating conjunction. Coming to the next one, subordinating conjunction. It is nothing but to join an independent and a complete clause with dependent clause. Means two different sentences which is independent and a complete clause with dependent clause. For example, as, although, though, until, before, once. Now just remember these words. Just rewind yourself. Then where do we use these few words? It's nothing but starting of the sentence. For example, as it was raining, although he was late, though he was running, until you sleep, before a minute, once upon a time. Am I right? These are the few words which we are using in the starting of the sentences. And also we can use it in the middle also, but most often we use it as a beginning of the sentences. So these are called as subordinating conjunctions. Now coming to the next one, what this correlative conjunction is. It is to join different words or group of words. Correlative, it's nothing but relating the two words. For example, either or. These two we are going to use in the same sentence. Yes? Neither nor. Not only, but also. Just as or so. These are the few examples of correlative conjunctions. So once again, let's have a small recap. So conjunction is the word which connects two sentences or clauses or two words. These conjunctions are again divided into three kinds: subordinating conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions, coordinating, and correlative conjunctions. So these are the few examples of these conjunctions. That's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like if you like the videos. Thank you everyone.